Yes, we know exactly how you think about this question. I know that this is your wettest of the wettest dreams and that you are jealous about us having these wheels. But on our car, these wheels are going off. So before I start to talk about the VMR wheels that I have selected for my 1 Series, I would like to just clarify that I am not sponsored or I didn't get a special discount or anything. It's just me buying what I think is a great looking wheels on a 1 Series, and that's it. But first we need to address Dean Z from my previous video when I was supposed to do the premiere drive with my GT3. Actually, when I published the video, Dean Z gave me a piece of advice on how to solve the maximum flooded, whatever it's called, you know, the yellow warning text that I got immediately when I started up and fired up the engine. And he actually has an idea how to handle that issue. So, accordingly to the instruction, the first phase is to reset the oil level indicator. That is actually simplest done, accordingly to the comments from Dean Z, is to open the rear lid. So I'm just gonna push it. Next step, just to open the engine deck. Well, actually, engine deck. The only thing you have here is carbon fiber and some fans and some badges. The engine is obviously underneath. But anyway, the fill cap, oil fill cap, is now to be open according to the instructions to let pressure, etc. Out. So I just open it and then screw it back. Finally, obviously, is to start up the engine to see if this has done miracle to my warning messages. So let's start. Dean Z, you are the biggest hero ever! Ever! Thank you! This is why I started the channel in the first place. You know, not only to contribute, but also to get in contact with other people with the same interest. Thank you. You are wonderful. Dean Z, the hero of this month. So I selected the version 703. I was looking back and forth between the 710 and 703, and finally I decided on the 703. I think the design of the 703 is more elegant, even though it's a very sporty, aggressive wheel, but compared to the 710 wheels, I think that is for you if you like, you know, bang, I have a sports car. I really want this top sporty look. But then again, I'm over 40 years old, so I thought, yeah, let's go with a more subtle style. In the front, I will have 8.5 inch wide rim, and in the back, I will go 1 more inch to 9.5 on the 19-inch wheels that I will put on the 1 Series. One thing that I think will be quite interesting is the tires. I have selected the Falcon tires. It is actually the ever first time I will be driven on Falcon tires. The thing I did this time was actually to, accordingly to the sizes that I wanted, 225/35 in the front and 245/30 in the back. I just selected from a decibel perspective, noise reduction. And I ended up with these tires with 69 decibel according to the specification. I'm standing here thinking about my brakes. I think they are good enough for B roads or light, how should I put it, light performance driving. If you drive a bit above normal, a bit more active driving, I think these will do enough. But I don't have to go on track to realize that I will not be as satisfied as I need as a driver's man. Perhaps it's just enough to change pads, but I'm not sure. So I'm studying it a lot, and obviously I would absolutely consider putting the M performance brake. But what is the downside with that? Then I will get some Christmas tree design here with, I think it is orange, yellow, blue or red calipers. But then again, if that is the only options, well, time will see what I do. But I really would like some performance brakes that are black. Haven't found any yet, at least at the reasonable priced, because this is my reasonable priced driver's car. So I don't want to go off limits here. So I do this for hand. I normally go between 110 to 120 Newton meter when I mount wheels on the cars. Now I take my beautiful Kamosa tool and just tighten this up before I lower the car. Two things I really like with VMR wheels. I don't know if you noticed it, but I didn't have to use a plastic center cap for the wheels. And also the original BMW caps fits perfectly in the center. There we go. Perfect. 3 more to go. I must say something about VMR homepage as well, because I think, yeah, that was a great shopping experience, because I tried to figure out who was reseller of the VMR wheels in Sweden, and I couldn't find any good answers on the web. But then I entered the VMR Europe's homepage and considered, why should they have resellers in the first place? It is a great website to buy your wheels in, and I actually had a few questions, and I sent the support an email, and the feeling was that they were sitting whatever they are in Europe or around the world, waiting for my email. Bang, quick response, and all my answer was given in a couple of minutes. So thumbs up to VMR Europe's homepage and the way they perform sales. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these wheels. Most likely I would like to throw them in the trash, but that is not a proper thing to do. I'm just going to store them for the next owner. And until then, see you. Yeah, see you. Do you want to say something to the public? Do you want to say something to someone? Oh, thank you. You're kissing me. You're kissing me.